Today we will be testing the Harmonic Pattern Supertrend indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Harmonic Pattern Supertrend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 830 indicators, with 337 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 39 of the winning indicators, with 11 of them able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Harmonic Pattern Supertrend indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so basically this indicator is taking the harmonic patterns, and so if you're not really sure what the harmonic patterns are, go ahead and Google that and take a look. And so basically we have a few different patterns, quite a few different patterns actually, at price action forms, ABC, I think it's ABCD patterns. I forget all the harmonic patterns off the top of my head, but we have different patterns, different Gourley patterns and bat patterns, butterfly patterns, all kinds of different names for them. You can kind of see one right here where it's developed kind of this pattern here that it is displaying, and because of that pattern it then shows the super trend according to that pattern. And so an interesting indicator to say the least. And so I thought it would be cool to throw this on screen and see what we can get out of it. I'm not sure what all patterns it counts for. I'm not sure if it's just a few specific patterns or if it is basically any harmonic pattern. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. I might explain it on the indicators page itself. I just kind of did a quick glance of it and didn't read into it too much. It was pretty self-explanatory all in all. Also, these little buy and sell tags right here, you'll have to ignore those. I was actually playing around with what appears to be a new feature in the back testing, and that it allows you to actually take a position in the back testing itself to kind of see how it would play out. And so just kind of playing around with that just a tad bit right here to see what it was and kind of how it worked. And so maybe I'll do that on the first signal that we get here, just so that way you guys can see. So, all right, the setup on this is when the super trend is below price action and green, we are, or I guess when it jumps below price action and turns green, that is a signal to go long. When it jumps above price action and turns red, that is a signal to go short. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so we see that we get a long signal right here that appears, and so you can see that we get that switch, that jump where where the super trend jumps below the price action there and goes into the green position. And so this would be a long signal right here. And what you can do is you can just hit the buy there. I'm not sure if you can adjust. Like I said, I haven't played with it much. I'm not sure if you can adjust the size of this. But now basically it's dropped me into a long position here, and kind of gives a buy signal right there. This is kind of simulating an actual real-time trade. So let's go ahead and play this forward and see what happens. All right, so we can see that price spikes up really nicely there, which would have gotten us to our take profit. And now we're just kind of stuck in this trade at the moment, which is why, again, I'm not really using it, just kind of playing around with it. But I thought it was interesting at least to kind of show what that does. I've noticed these buttons here have appeared on the back testing panel for a while now, and just kind of ignored them and didn't play with them much. Anyways, we'll go ahead and close out of that position right there. But that's kind of what those buttons do. Thought it was interesting. All right, so we got one winning trade right here. Let's go ahead and mark that one before I forget. We'll go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short trade right here on this one here. Unfortunately, though, we do get a decent little spike back to the upside there. A nasty little correction, which does come up and stop us out. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part of the conversations in any of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon-only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an awesome Forex prop trader putting up charts like this on a regular basis, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. In this particular case, he's kind of showing the chart here and a divergence type situation that is taking place. I'm going to give a quick write-up on what it is that he's looking at so everybody can kind of keep an eye on these particular pairs and kind of see how they play out. Sometimes he'll even throw out trades that he's looking to take, and so he'll post a chart like this, shows areas of support and resistance, but also exactly where he'd be entering a trade and taking profit, stop, the whole deal. Some of our other members are also posting trades and charts on a regular basis. You see Sasquatch here is posting charts quite regular, really does a great job of a lot of analysis on the Forex market, helping everybody out. And some of our other members here, this is our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading. doing a great job also of helping us out, posting charts as well, some of the trades that he's taken, but this is specifically kind of a chart that he has of a few indicators that he's created himself. So we got a few different indicators. Some are free, some are paid. All of them do a really great job, and he goes out of his way to help people out and really explain how to use them and how to best benefit in the market. And then some of our other members here are also, like I said, showing the trades that they're taking. Just everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's supporting everybody. It's a wonderful environment. Everybody's helping everybody learn and get better at trading. Highly recommend it. All right, back to our indicator here. So scroll back here. All right, so we have the 4 trades there, as you can see, and out of those 4 trades, we have 3 winning trades, and so that will meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, I think this is an interesting indicator. Wish it gave us more trades within the 1 year's time instead of just the 4. Maybe on a lower time frame, we'd be able to maintain a decent win rate. But for a while, I've been interested in the harmonic patterns. I know quite a few other people have as well, and I think this is a really cool play on the whole harmonic pattern type situation, and putting that into a very popular indicator, the Supertrend, kind of combining those two. I think, like I said, it's just really cool setup, really cool indicator, and I think people could utilize it and play around with it, see what else they can do with it. So, all right, that's it for this one. It is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.